This is Raju Trace, correction, Tulsa Trace. And this is the police officers bringing food, pilau, drinks, and other stuff here, water, in relief for those people who cannot even come out of their house. There are 2 and 3 feet of water. In some instances there are more, with assistance from civilians, business owners. And this is the position. This is the position here in Tulsa Trace. Right. As you can see, the height of the water, it's higher on the left side.
It's rising. I want to get a phone like that, you know. I want that battery though then.